I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Remember, I'm giving away $2,000 worth of Bitcoin at the end of the month. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. So the concern here is you've got this high. This is a low. I mean, potentially, if this gets confirmed as a lower high, this could be some type of downtrend on the weekly, which wouldn't be a good sign. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. I just want to make sure you guys understand this idea. So previously, Bitcoin had put in, and sometimes it's this simple. Like you got to kind of put patterns aside, right? You've got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. This is an uptrend, right? Well, guess what happens? When you get a lower low, things are different, right? So you got your low, your high. This is a lower low. This is caution. Use caution, right? If the bulls put in a lower high, so if the next high is here, so at some point we're going to get a bounce out of Bitcoin, whether it's here or here, right? But this next high, I mean, if the bulls put in a lower high, you're going to have this kind of falling wedge, right? Where you have some midterm downside. Right? If you're holding alt USDT pairs, you'll not do amazing. So what the bulls need is they need a higher high where this is essentially, the bullish hopium is this is some type of super bear trap, right? And I'll show you an idea that's happened in the past where this has played out, but just understand that this lower low is use caution idea. And so remember, one thing back here that I talked to you guys about was this cautionary lower low. So you got your low, your high, your lower low, and then this lower high confirm the downtrend. But a lot of times you'll see this short-term, mid-term downtrend ensue. This is a Bitcoin 1 hour chart. And so, I mean, this wasn't good where essentially this has really saved me millions of dollars where you get a fake out, right? And of major, like this was 50,000, right? So it's like the bulls broke 50,000. This is it. Yes. This is a bull trap, right? Bull trap. And everybody opens up longs and everybody gets completely destroyed. This market likes to take the most amount of money from the most amount of people. Down here, the key is to understand that basically Bitcoin is working in this range. I mean, the range low might be here or it could be here, right? So, I mean, you could be in this large range, trading range for a period of time. The most important idea is you're going to open up USDT paired altcoin longs on bounces. And so this might be the low. This might be the low. It could be here, right? I mean, you don't know. When you open a trade, potentially it's a short-term trade and turns into a longer-term trade and then might be, a longer-term hold. What I don't get caught up in is holding downtrends, right? At some point, I'm looking for a bounce. Will it be here or will it be here? Or will it be here? We don't know yet, right? Right now, we don't have a bunch of market structure to work with. I do know that if this level doesn't hold, level by level, we're looking for a move down here, 45,000. If that level doesn't hold, 42,800 is in the cards. All right, so right now, Bitcoin not looking super strong, but where I'd look to open altcoin positions is this level. It needs to be regained. Look, you had a double bottom here, price action reversed. All right, happened here too. Like price action bounced off this level. Bounced off this level. This is a key level right here. Like the bulls haven't gotten this level back. As soon as they do, things change. As far as like a short-term move, at least up here in this area somewhere. Right, so as soon as this level's regained, then I'm looking, you'll get a nice run out of these altcoins as soon as Bitcoin can show some strength. And so where is this bounce going to be? And I'm going to keep you guys updated on this daily. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Like we've had some amazing bounces on these altcoins, and that's what we've been trading. This person got into FTT setup and made a ton of money, and Solana, which obviously you've seen had been crazy. Then I posted a one setup yesterday and it exploded on a retest. He made 572% profit in 30 minutes. This person almost 8x'd his money in less than 2 weeks in the trading group. These Kucoin gem picks have been insane. Like we've seen tremendous amount of 800% profits in 2 weeks. I mean, just imagine what your portfolio looks like. This young lady, she emailed me back and forth probably 15 times about joining the group. Finally joined. I'm so proud of her because she's making a ton of money. She's talking like a trader. I was giving her a hard time. I was like, hashtag pro trader, because she had never traded before, and she turned $3,000 into $7,000 on IOST and took profit. Huge. These are brand new traders. These are not like experienced traders that join the group. People that join the group are brand new to trading. Remember, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. We have to make it count. We've got to take advantage of this opportunity. I'm going to make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups daily. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. I still have some PayPal spots open. If you want to pay for the year with PayPal money transfer, just email me and I'll give you the instructions so you can pay with PayPal money transfer for 1 year only. These are some of the recent winners we've had. 361%. These are new. 361, 323, 328, 603, 304, 321, 334. Pages and pages and pages of triple digit green. There's double digit, but these are brand new. 107, 118, 112% gains. We're killing it in the trading group. All right, so this is the bullish hopium. This is what needs to happen. And this happened previously when Bitcoin pulled back to about 16,000 before the run to 64,000, right? So this is the bullish hopium, right? Where you have your high, your low, your higher high, right? At this point, this is an uptrend, right? Clear uptrend, right? Higher highs and higher lows. Then big sell-off, big drop, right? Then double bottom, which those are good reversal ideas, right? Focus on these, double bottom, and then you put in a higher high. So you got a lower low and then a higher high, which this is not common, right? This is not common, but this would make this, the move we're in currently, this would make this drawdown, this huge bear trap, right? And fake out. And so if this takes place, you get this huge bear trap and then the price action just totally goes the opposite direction. This is the bullish hopium, right? And so the bulls need a higher high. After this move from 16,500 to 19,600, the bulls continued higher, ran to $64,000 Bitcoin. And this happened previously on the 2-hour chart. So this is just an idea that the bulls need this to play out. Bitcoin dominance trying to bounce here. There's an idea where you could see some bullish divergence play out on the RSI if you do get some upside confirmation. If this breaks out, make sure you guys are using BolsaDX. So I'm excited about this because we were beta testing it in the group. The new iOS app for BolsaDX just dropped. They've got an Android app now, so they've got full phone app support. And if you use my VIP link in the description when you sign up, you'll maintain 2 Bitcoin daily in and out, right, with no KYC. So this is big for us. I've been working on this behind the scenes for an extended period of time. So I'll make sure that these links are in the description. But again, make sure you sign up with my VIP link to have continued 2 Bitcoin daily in and out transfer limits for BolsaDX. I got a couple setups for you guys. So Adam came out with this news, and Terraform Labs, they announced Project Dawn, which is a $150 million funding initiative to support Cosmos core technology. So this is big, and Adam has a solid technical pattern, right? It's got this huge like rounded bottom, and really your breakout level is about $30, but you want to see a good solid break and retest. Now, if Bitcoin pulls back and you get the opportunity to enter on a bounce down here, support pullback, as long as Bitcoin bounces, this will bounce too. And then if Bitcoin does continue higher, there's, this is a rounded bottom, right? With a breakout above $30, you could see $50 Atom. So pay attention to this idea. ALGO has been banging, right? We had this breakout above $1.73 and it ran up to a $2.40, and this thing was just moon mission. Now, I'd like to see, for entry, I'd like to see a retest, a pullback to this support level, right? So what I'm looking for is if you get a pullback in here, based on this high, right? This is the ceiling. This is the ceiling. Well, now we want this to be the floor and look for upside continuation, right? So you're paying attention to the Bitcoin the whole entire time. Bitcoin's going to give all these altcoins direction. But ALGO comes out with this news, and they have launched a $300 million Virtus DeFi fund today. This happened. It's a powerful commitment to enabling the most vibrant, wealth-creating DeFi ecosystem on a high-performance, sustainable Algorand network. So we're looking for projects like Atom and Algorand to become the next Solana, right? We want to figure out, well, maybe we missed Solana. However, we did start buying Solana at $30 and killed it. But if you miss Solana, you're looking for, moves out of ALGO, out of Atom, out of AVAX, which is not posted here, but we have covered it in the past. AVAX, it's the three A's, AVAX, ALGO, Atom, right? We want to see some bullish price action out of Bitcoin, and these altcoins have a ton of potential I just talked about. Now, I'm going to work on some Kucoin gen picks and some videos going forward over the weekend. I want to cover this idea with you, though. KDA was given, and I always save these comments on Twitter because people are like, "Oh man, I missed the move. I missed a 5%, or it's already up 10%, or it's already up 7%. I missed the move." KDA, possible inverse head and shoulders, breakout level given, and this coin's up 7 or 8%, and somebody's like, "I missed the move." Some kind of always a fraction too late. Are you really a fraction too late? Or after 253% profits, did that 7% move matter? Did it matter? Right? Are you too late? Sometimes you have to have a zoomed out approach to this market. Like these small moves on small time frames, they start somewhere, right? 253% moves start with a small 5 or 7% move. Did you miss a move? I gave this to you guys. I gave this to you guys on Twitter, on YouTube, KDA, 253% gains. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.